Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about social media for business for beginners. Now, this is slightly different from social media for beginners that I spoke about a few days ago. That was primarily for individuals like you and I, and how we could build our social media presence and build our own brand, talk about ourselves, our families. But here I'm talking about how businesses can build a social media platform to build their business, to build their brands, to talk about their products and their services. So let me share my slides now. Now these are not typical pointers, but then they are on a larger overarching scale. I'm going to talk about five different aspects that you must consider if you are having a business, a small business, or a startup, or you're an entrepreneur, and you wish to spread the word about your business and products and services through social media. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. So let me share my slides. So there you go. So the first point is the commitment. So you must understand that social media is such a thing that is, it's like a water tap. So the moment you open a water tap, you can't close it. So you can't shut it down. So you have to have the commitment to build the platforms for you for your business. So hence, you must really have you must be able to plan and strategize to be able to be successful in social media. So you must have the success parameters in place. So it could be, how many followers I'm going to get, how I'm going to convert those followers into actual clients, and how am I going to tap into, let's say, a collaboration with a complementary service or a product so that I can build. So all of that must be your parameters. It could be even social online parameters like click-through rates and how many open rates, how many interact and engage with the brand and all of that. Hence, establishing goals is very critical. So you have to have those marks or the numbers to achieve on a periodic basis. So you must be absolutely clear that I want to do these things and I want to achieve those in that kind of time frame. So with that in mind, it is super critical that you connect up the profile that you're building on the platforms with your brand, your product or services as closely as possible, so that you can intermesh between the product and the profile with the product and the brand that you have. The second point is actually to keep your time aside. So a lot of times, what happens is that you create a social media platform, but you eventually don't find to build or do anything about it or create great content on the platform. So you must keep a certain amount of time every day to which is dedicated towards creating those content for the platform. And you must also keep time to listen to your customers or your followers after you have posted something or created some content. They will talk about it. So you must be able to communicate and engage with your customers. Hence, when you start, and this is a point that I made in the other social media guide as well, which is for individuals, is to not to start with too many platforms. You start with some platforms which you're familiar with, one or two, maybe three maximum, and don't try to do everything. Start small, create great content, and try and engage. So you must be able to do all of it, and you must also bring in use tools. So for collaboration, for attraction, for actually converting, for measurement, and all of that. So you must be able to bring in those tools and try and see how well you're performing on the social media space for your business. The third point is actually to build a calendar. Now, you will notice those who are successful in the social media world, they keep pumping out content for every occasion, whether it's Christmas or it's some kind of event which is local to a particular country or to mark someone's birthday, anniversary, or all of that. They all have a calendar. So you must have a calendar for your company. And you must also have a marketing plan around that calendar so that you are able to generate that content every time there is an event that comes up. And tag people, tag your clients, tag your employees, and tag your partners, because that's how the word spreads. And that way, you will be able to build that camaraderie, which will, try and make your business stronger. The glue to attract clients and people to your business will become stronger. And you must that way at every point of contact or touch point with customers or whoever, you must be able to engage and build that association, that engagement with people. Fourth point is passion. Now, at the end of the day, social media is all about creating content, so which means it's creativity. So if you don't have passion, you don't really have. You need to have creativity to build that passion, and hence it is very important that you have the passion to build that great content which engages with your fans and followers. So, as a start, you can pick up a topic that you are very familiar with and that relates with your business or brand, even if it's remotely or even if you are able to connect that with your brand, that's good enough. Try and pick up that one topic and talk about it. And most important, have fun. If you are having fun, then you will be able to make your customers happy and they will share that content with their own network. So building that passion is super, super, super important. And that will help you build your business as well. The last point is actually to learn from people who've been successful, who are leaders, even your competitors, influencers, brands. Learn from them what they are doing, what type of content they're producing, what is working, what is not working. That will spark some ideas and give you some direction if you are kind of lost at any stage or any point in time. And remember, the engagement drives growth. The more you are able to engage, the more growth your social platforms will be, and hence your business will have. So you must learn from those best practices and grow. And that way you will be able to get enough or significant mileage for your business. So I will on the card above, I will link the social media for beginners for individuals as well, so that you can compare the two, and you see how there are a lot of similar areas for the two, but social media for business, especially startup businesses, is slightly different, and it's more focused towards building the business and conversion and lead generation and all of that. So that's it, guys. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description below. And if you are looking to engage with me, or you are looking for a consultant for your business in the areas around marketing, technology, please let me know. You can fill up the subscription form for newsletters, and on third field you can check yes for me to talk about for me to get in touch with you for further consultation. So please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. And I will also, somewhere here, you will find the playlist on social media. So go and watch the playlist, and I shall see you soon. Take care and bye bye.